inside my head. I'm fired up inside of the way that things have been. Ooh, the way that things have been. Ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Ooh, the master of my sea. Ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soaking to the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the pain. You make me how you make me, I believe.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Okay, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. For today, magbubuo tayo ng bahay ng rabbit. So, nag-video na ako eh. Wait. What is happening to me? Paano yung Okay, guys. Sasakay tayo sa walang tren. Sige na nga, maglalakad na lang. Put, borororotut. Sasakyan natin. So, ito yung ginawa. At nagkamali ako dito. Pinalayas ko na sila. Sige, bye-bye mga rabbits. Kailangan niya lang is dark oak wood sticks, water bucket, dark oak wood, wooden trap, at grass block, and quartz slab, pumpkin seeds. Okay. What is this happening to me? And then sa akin ganito eh. 1, 2, 3. Yung nakita nyo nung nakaraan trap sa manok. Ngayon naman bahay. Wait, sandali lang. So guys, ito and tapos kung gusto nyo may design lagyan ng design. Wait. Toink. And then toink. Kung gusto nyo lagyan ng design. Tapos dito kung saan magtatanim kayo ng carrot. Kaya may space po dyan. At kailangan natin dyan is hindi na yata natin yung kailangan. Ay, kailangan pala natin to. Ito muna pala kailangan natin. Lagay. Toink. And then 2 blocks. 1, 2. Start. And then that. Mga commercial. I don't want the commercial. Wait. So guys, kailangan mag-iwan kayo ng butas dito para sa pintuan. At kailangan nyo lang is that and then that. Tapos butasan nyo na yun. Ay, dali. Yan, nabutas na. Tadan! And then, kailangan nyo lang maglagay ng torch dun sa loob para malinaw. Yan. Tapos dito. Oh, sandali, tingnan na talaga. Ayan na po guys, kailangan na ng diamond hoe at kailangan lagyan ng butas dito. At dito. Oops, nagkamali. Nagkamali ako dito. Toink. Yan. So, water bucket. Kailangan na natin ng water bucket. Din, and then tap. Ayan. Okay. Tapos, grass block. Kailangan nating takpan. Yan. At ito. At ito. At ito. At ito. Tapos, ilagay ng pumpkin seeds. Yan, nakalagay ng pumpkin seeds. So, ilagay na natin tong wooden trapdoor. Crouch muna and siguraduhin na dito mo ilagay sa ibabaw nito. At tadan! Tapos butasin to. At lagyan ng glass. At ito, lalagyan ng glass. Ayan. At sa bubong, para naman sa bubong, kailangan ng quartz slab. Kagaya niya, nakikita nyo, ayan po ilagay nyo. So, ayan na guys, kailangan flat po dito at ilagay nyo dito ang isang block. Kagaya nyan. Parang siyang stairs. Yan. At 1, 2. 1, 2. Dalawang blocks dito. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. At dito mo 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tapos, 1 block. Ayaw, ayun. 1 block for this. Tadan! And that's it. Complete. Para sa bunny, kailangan nyo na mag-spawn ng rabbit. Sa spawn rabbit. Asan yun? Ayan, spawn rabbit. And then, toink. Toink. Wait. Ah, nakalabas. Ayan, 2 rabbits. Kita nyo dito? Hello, little rabbit bunny. Ang cute. So guys, this is the ending of the video. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next episode. Bye!